So we're back. Like, nah, I'm mad excited, y'all. Like, mad excited, like that ass. But yo, I had to do this quick look for y'all. This wig was a middle part. If you have me on Instagram, you've seen that I wore this wig when I went to Miami like 2 times. And I just love this wig. Like, I'm surprised it lasted this long, and I'm surprised that I could revive it to this. But anyway, it doesn't matter. Thank y'all for supporting me. Like, look at me right now. My heart is like, I'm back on YouTube. So let's take a shot, sis. Let's take a shot. We're done. We're almost done. Finish this last Henny with me, sis, because we got to get right for the summertime. We got to get right. Ooh, that Henny hit your heart. That Henny hit your heart, baby. But like, comment, subscribe. There will be more. Please check out old videos. New videos coming in my new salon. I soon will be doing a video on my whole salon. Just keep watching, sis. I know you want to watch. I know you want to watch, sis. So watch, because you're my sis, I'm your sis. So we're supposed to watch this together. Girl, when I say rough, this is rough. This is the roughiest this is the roughest you'll see me. This is the roughest you'll see me, sis. But it's okay, because we about to glow up. We about to really glow up together, y'all. So you want to take your wig. I'm showing y'all, like, this wig is rough. It's not even glued down or nothing. But I received this glue from this company, or this hairstylist from Atlanta called Damian Flagger. I think I said it right. Yeah, and she sent me this glue, and when I tell you, this thing don't play. But y'all see that later at the end. So with your old wig, you want to make sure that you cut off all of that extra lace. Don't try to save your laces, because you don't need it. That extra lace is just going to get in the way, because you want to do this like as if you was doing a whole new wig. So cut off all of your extra lace. Now, I'm only going to be using a little bit of glue on my forehead. She said, well, she didn't say not to use a lot, but when I'm testing out glues, I don't use that much anyway. So I'm only using a little bit. I'm using my popsicle stick just to spread it out, and you're supposed to wait until it gets a little tacky. So I'm filling it out, and then I'm gonna go in with my second coat. I only use 2 coats because, you know, I just want to test it out first. I didn't want the wig to last that long anyway, so it really didn't even matter how many coats I used, but I used 2. And I love testing out glue before I use it on my clients, like you should anyway, before I use it on anyone. And now we're in this quarantine, so this was the perfect time for me to test out all new glues. When I tell you I just laid it on there, and now look what I could do. I could flip this sucker. Shit had me feeling like Shakira up in here. This glue wasn't playing. So now I'm going to separate my baby hairs. I was surprised that I could even do all of this the way this glue was feeling. Like, this glue is feeling like I could do anything in the world. So I'm separating baby hairs now. With baby hairs, I cut off all the old ones, so now you have to create whole new baby hairs. You have to make the front of your hairline look more natural again. So you're gonna see me. I'm just really trying to test out what baby hairs I should keep. You don't want it to look like too many hairs, but you don't want it to look real thin out. You want us to be able to cover any old lace that was shown before. So now I'm just going to put some edge control on my baby hairs just to lay them down. I love using edge control. The edge control I used on this, I think, is even. I use that on my edges just to, you know, shape them a little bit before I actually go in with some mousse. And let me tell you, when I put the mousse on here, y'all, this lace didn't bulge, it didn't move, it didn't flip, it didn't dance, it didn't trick, ain't do none of that, y'all. So I'm hyped about this glue. I'm not gonna lie, I'm gonna have to use this again. So doing this look was very easy. This is like my running somewhere real quick. My friends, I need to hurry up type of look because I have lash extensions on. So I'm just using my NYX pencil to line my eyebrows. I don't really do it that dark because my eyebrows are already dark. And I love when eyebrows are like more so brown than black. So I'm using my NYX pencil in the shade, what shade is this? Espresso. And then I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Fawn to conceal my eyebrows. And then I'm just going to blend that out. Y'all, I'm mad hype because I haven't even, since this corona thing, I haven't even did a makeup, eyebrow, nothing. So now that my eyebrows is done, I'm just like so hyped. But I'm gonna go in with my NYX mattifying primer. This primer is the truth. It reminds me of the BACKK primer, but just a cheaper version, of course. But I'm going in with that, and then I'm gonna go in with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation around the edges of my face, and then I'm gonna go in with my Super Stay from Maybelline in the middle, and then I'm just gonna blend everything together. I like to do this because I'm darker around the edge and lighter in the middle, so of course I want to go in and blend it out perfectly. also mixing the NYX concealer with the LA Girl concealer because I like the lighter look, but also I want it to look blended. I don't want it to look like, you know, just I'm light around my eyes and darker everywhere else on my face. So of course I have the NYX concealer in a darker shade than Fawn. This powder is the truth, y'all. This is the Huda Beauty setting powder. Now listen, I know there's a lot to this powder, like I'm patting it as you just heard, but this powder is the truth, y'all. Like, this is the only powder that doesn't allow my eyeballs to crease. And when I tell you I use every powder there is, I'm still looking, but this powder does not play because my eyes crease very bad. Very, very bad. Like, they water, they crease, they do everything that you could possibly hate. And I love this powder for me. Because I'm not using any cream contour, because this is supposed to be like a quick look, I'm going to contour with my Fenty Mocha Mami. And I'm just going to put that, you know, on my cheekbones and around the edge of my face because, of course, my neck is darker than my entire body. So I have to make my face blend in with my body and my neck. So I use this because it's darker and it'll blend my face with my neck just a little bit more than usual. So I'm going to go ahead and use that, and you'll see how I use the, what is this stuff called? Damn. The Laura Mercier Medium Deep, just to make my contour a little sharper because I'm not using cream. I want as much sharpness as I can, and I have a round face, and I gained weight, so now my face is all fat and shit. It's just too much. So you want to make sure you contour enough, even if it's just a brush beat. Blush I like to use is from Fenty Beauty because it has 2-in-1. It's the Kilowatt double blush, and it has like a highlighter with it, so it's like highlighted and blush, so I don't have to go in and put any highlight on because this gives me like a natural type of glow. And yes, I use a lot because since I like to be blushed up. Anyway, so now I'm going in. I'm using like a regular brown pencil I think I got from NYX. I don't remember the name. And I'm going in with my Fenty lip gloss. This lip gloss is, I don't remember the name actually. But I'm going in with one of my Fenty lip glosses, and I'm just going to place on my lips just for like a natural look. finished look, y'all. I'm going in and I'm just gonna comb my baby hair so it can give it like a little bit more natural look instead of it being so like pressed down. And I added mousse to my hair, and this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. Don't worry, better videos. Ooh, I can't speak, y'all. Better videos coming, and just watch. Look how this hair dries after the mousse. It's just so pretty still after all this time I've had this hair and bleached it and everything. Thank you guys for watching. Love you.